So we are going to start today chapter number 8, multiples and factors. Multiples and factors. Our chapter number 8 name is multiples and factors. Now first we will see what is meant by factor. Okay. Now see student, I am taking number 14. Okay. So now 14 is coming in which table, you have to tell me. So one time table is same. 1 1 is 1, 1 2 is 2, 1 3 is 3. So 1 in coming in, 14 is coming in one times table. So what is the first factor, is the first number. Okay. 2, 2 7s are 14. Correct. 2 के टेबल में भी 14 आता है. इन 3 टाइम्स टेबल नो, 3 के टेबल में नहीं आता. Then 4 no, 5 times table, 14 in coming in 5 times table no. 6 6 2 is 12 नहीं आता. 7 गुड रुचि, 7 2 is 14 तो 7 के टेबल में आता है गुड. 8 नो, 9 times table no, 10 times table no, 11 times table no, 12 times table 14 is coming no, 13 times table no, 14 times table it is coming. 14 ones are 14. So here this 1 2 7 14, this number telling us that this 14 is coming in their table. Okay, means 1 2 7 and 14 are the factors of 14, are the factors of 14. ठीक है, ये हमें क्या बता रहा है कि 1 2 7 और 14 के टेबल में ये नंबर 14 आता है. मतलब इस 14 के फैक्टर्स क्या है, 1 2 7 एंड 14. फैक्टर्स मतलब क्या, वी आर डिवाइडिंग द नंबर इनटू द इक्वल ग्रुप्स. लाइक आई एम हैविंग 12 नंबर. ओके, सपोज आई एम हैविंग 12 चिकूस विथ मी. ओके, 7 चिकूस है मेरे साथ. आई वांट टू डिवाइड दिस चिकूस इनटू इक्वल पार्ट्स. तो मैं 1 का ग्रुप कर सकती हूँ, तो 1 के 12 ग्रुप होंगे. करेक्ट, 12 ग्रुप्स ऑफ 1 1 चिकू. करेक्ट. 2 का ग्रुप होगा, देन 6 ग्रुप्स विल कम. करेक्ट नो, वेरी गुड कादम्बरी. कि 2 अगर मैं 2 2 डिवाइड करती हूँ एक ग्रुप में 2 चिकूस, देन ऐसे 6 ग्रुप्स हो जाएंगे. 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 2 3 जा 6, लाइक 2 6 जा 12. करेक्ट. देन आई कैन डिवाइड दिस 12 चिकू इनटू 3 3 चिकूस इन ईच ग्रुप. 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6, 3 3 जा 9 एंड 3 4 जा 12. तो मैं 3 के ग्रुप में भी ये डिवाइड कर सकती हूँ. करेक्ट नो. देन 4 का ग्रुप भी कर सकती हूँ. 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 4 3 जा 12. 5 के ग्रुप में आई कैन नॉट डिवाइड. व्हाई? बिकॉज 5 1 जा 5, 5 2 जा 10 and where these two चिकूस will go, then equal group will not form. No, अगर मैं 5 का ग्रुप करती हूँ चिकूस का, तो 5 1 जा 5, 5 2 जा 10, एक ग्रुप में 5 आएंगे, दूसरे ग्रुप में 5 आएंगे, लेकिन तीसरे ग्रुप के लिए सिर्फ 2 चिकू रह जाएंगे. करेक्ट ना. ओनली 2 चिकूस विल रिमेन, सो दैट ग्रुप्स विल नॉट बी इक्वल. वो इक्वल ग्रुप नहीं होंगे. सो आई कैन नॉट डिवाइड चिकूस into in 5 in each group. okay, 5 के ग्रुप में मैं उसे डिवाइड नहीं कर सकती. then I can divide this chiku into 6 group in 6 chicus in each group, because 6 1 are 6, 6 2 are 12. correct, I will. correct. then 7 no, 7 2 are 14, तो एक ग्रुप में 7 हो जाएंगे, दूसरे ग्रुप में 5 हो जाएंगे. so I cannot divide in 7. 8 no, 9 के ग्रुप में कर सकती हूँ क्या? नो. 10 के ग्रुप में नो. बिकॉज 10 के ग्रुप में करूंगी तो एक ग्रुप में 10 आ जाएंगे, दूसरे ग्रुप में 2 ही आ जाएंगे. सो अगेन इक्वल ग्रुप विल नॉट बी फॉर्म. ओके, सो 10 इज नॉट पॉसिबल. देन 11 नो. 12 ओके, 12 का मैं एक ही ग्रुप बनाऊंगी, एक ही फाइनल, एक ही ग्रुप बनाऊंगी जिसमें 12 चिकूज हो जाएंगे. सो हियर 12 चिकूज आर कैन बी डिवाइडेड इनटू 6 groups, like 1 in each group, 2 in each group, 3 in each group, 4 in each group, 6 in each group, and 12 in one group only. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the factors. Means these numbers are dividing these 12 into equal groups. Factors मतलब क्या कि ऐसा नंबर जो दिए गए नंबर को इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करता है. ओके, दिस 12 इज डिविजिबल बाय दिस 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 एंड 12. करेक्ट. ये 12 किससे डिवाइड हो रहा है, किससे डिविजिबल है ये 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 एंड 12. Means this 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are factors of this 12. Are factors of this 12. Okay. इसे कहेंगे फैक्टर्स. लाइक इफ आई एम टेकिंग 21, ओके, सो 21 फर्स्ट फैक्टर इज 1. कोई भी नंबर ले लो, उसका फर्स्ट फैक्टर 1 ही आने वाला है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट इज अ कॉमन फैक्टर फॉर ऑल द नंबर्स, तो 1 तो उसका कॉमन फैक्टर आ गया. देन सेकेंड, 21 is coming in 2 times table, no. 3 times table it is coming. 4 के टेबल में आता है ये, no. 4 5 are 20, 21 नहीं आता. 5 times table, no. 6 times table, no. 7 times table, yes it is coming. 7 3s are 21. 8 times table, no. 9 times table, no. 10 times table, no. 11 times table, no. 12 times table, no. तो ये आगे किसी भी नंबर में नहीं आता. डायरेक्टली लास्ट इज 21. each number is having two common factor, that is 1 and that number itself. कोई भी नंबर के अगर आप फैक्टर्स निकाल रहे हो कि वो कौन से नंबर से डिविजिबल होता है, तो उसके दो फैक्टर्स हमेशा कॉमन रहेंगे, दैट इज 1 एंड दैट नंबर इटसेल्फ. वेरी गुड मानस. नो नंबर इज देयर इन, नो टेबल इज देयर इन विच 21 इज कमिंग. गुड. ऐसा कोई भी अभी 7 के बाद कोई भी ऐसा टेबल नहीं है जिसमें 21 आता है. So after 7 directly 21 table is there. So 21 ones are 21. So here 1, 3, 7 and 21 are the factors of this number 21. Means this number 21 is divisible by 1, 3, 7 and 21. हमेशा याद रखना, कोई भी नंबर के दो कॉमन फैक्टर होते हैं, that is 1 and that number itself. वो नंबर और 1 ये हमेशा उसके दो फैक्टर्स हमेशा रहेंगे. इफ आई एम टेकिंग नंबर 24, तो 24 के दो कॉमन फैक्टर क्या होंगे, 1 and 24. बाकी तो हम लोग ढूंढ लेंगे टेबल से, बट 1 and 24 आर द कॉमन फैक्टर्स ऑफ दिस 24. ओके, ये रहेंगे ही रहेंगे. एवरी नंबर इज हैविंग two factors common as 1 and that number itself. So understood everyone what is mean by factors? ये factors सबको समझ में आया? Factors means the number which is dividing the given number into the equal parts. Okay, क्योंकि या फिर उसे divisible करता है, divide करता है, वो होता है factor. Now we are saying multiple. Sorry, multiple. Now what is meant by multiple? Multiple. Now see, if I am taking this 20 and I am dividing this 20 by 5, so I hope everyone know this simple division. 5 4s are 20, correct? No, 5 4s are 20, remainder is 0, correct? Na? 20 divided by 5, so 5 4s are 20, 20 minus 20, 0. Here remainder is 0. our answer, our quotient is 4. Means this 20 is multiple of 5. This 20 is multiple of 5. हम लोग ये मल्टीपल कब बोलेंगे? When the remainder will come 0. अगर रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं आता है तो वो नंबर दिए गए नंबर का मल्टीपल नहीं होगा. Okay, when the remainder will come 0, that time only the given number is multiple of the divisor. Dividend is the multiple of divisor. So here divisor is 5 and dividend is 20. So this dividend 20 is multiple of this 5. This 5. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है? One more example. Suppose see this is 84. Okay, and I am dividing this 84 by 6. Correct? So I want to check that this 84 is a multiple of 6 or not. मुझे ये चेक करना है कि ये जो 84 नंबर है वो 6 का मल्टीपल है या नहीं है. So what I will do? I will do the division. 84 divided by 6. So here 6 is my divisor, 84 is my dividend. Okay, so I will check that this 84 is multiple of this 6 or not. So what I will do? I'll do the division. 6 ones are 6. Correct? 8 minus 6 is 2. I'll take this 4 down. Number is 24. So 6, tell me. 6 4s are 24. Correct? Now here again remainder is 0. Remainder here remainder comes 0. That's why this 84 number is multiple of this 6. ये क्या हो गया? उसका मल्टीपल हो गया. ओके, समझ में आ रहा है व्हाट इज मीन बाय फैक्टर एंड व्हाट इज मीन बाय मल्टीपल? फैक्टर मतलब कैसे डिविजिबल होता है, कौन से नंबर से डिविजिबल होता है, वो होता है फैक्टर. और मल्टीपल मतलब क्या कि रिमाइंडर हमेशा 0 आना चाहिए तो ही बड़ा नंबर छोटे नंबर का डिविडेंड डिवाइजर का क्या होता है? मल्टीपल होता है. ओके, so today we are going to start lesson number 8, multiples and factors. Okay, now divisibility tests are there. Divisibility tests are there. Correct? Now there are 3 tests, 4 tests, but we'll see all 4, but majorly we are using 3. Okay, so divisibility test of 2, divisibility test of 3, divisibility test of 5 and divisibility test of 10. ये 4 टेस्ट है. Okay, now what is the first test? Divisibility test, divisibility by 2. Okay, now see, if the number is having, I'm writing here, huh? I'm using red color. Now pay attention. Okay, if the number is having 0, 2, 4, 8, okay, and 6, I miss out 6. If the number is having 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 at its unit place, okay, then that number is divisible by 2. That number is divisible by 2. हमें 2 का डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट क्या बताता है कि जिस नंबर के यूनिट प्लेस पे 0, 2, 4, 6 और 8 ये डिजिट आएंगे तो वो नंबर 2 से डिविजिबल होगा. 2 से डिविजिबल होगा. समझ में आ रहा है? So here number is 10 and at the unit place 0 is there, means this 10 is divisible by 2. At unit place 2 is there, so this number 12 is divisible by 2. Here number 14 at unit place 4 is there, means this 14 is divisible by 2. The number 26 at unit place 6 is there, means this number 26 is again divisible by 2. Here number 18, at unit place 8 is there, so again this number 18 is divisible by 2. What the divisibility of 2 is saying? When we have one of the digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in unit place of a number, that number is divisible by 2. This number के unit place पे 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 आएगा, वो number 2 से divisible होगा. This is the divisibility by 2. Okay. Now we'll see the divisibility by 3. Now see, I'm taking number 24. So 2 plus 4, if I add 2 plus 4, the number is 6. And this 6 is divisible by 3. 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6. Correct na? 3 2 जा 6. So this 6 is divisible by 3. ये जो 6 है वो 3 से divisible है. तो हमारा divisibility by 3, ये टेस्ट हमें क्या बताता है? When the sum of all the digits in a number is divisible by 3, then that number itself divisible by 3. कोई भी नंबर ले लो और उस नंबर के हर एक डिजिट को अब अगर ऐड करते हो और उसका जो सम आएगा, सम मतलब जो आंसर आएगा, that answer if it is divisible by 3, then that number is also divisible by 3. ठीक है? Suppose I am taking 121. 1 plus 2 plus 1. Now we'll add all the numbers in this number. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. This 4 is not divisible by 3. ये 4 3 से divide होगा क्या? नहीं होगा ना? नहीं होगा ना? 3 1 जा 3. 3 के टेबल में 4 तो आता है ही नहीं. So this 4 is not divisible by 3. Means this number 121 is also not divisible by 3. समझ में आ रहा है? अगर दिए गए नंबर का अगर हम लोग सम कर मतलब उसे ऐड कर जो आंसर आएगा उसे अगर हम लोग 3 से डिवाइड करते हैं और वो डिवाइड हो गया, अगर वो डिविजिबल है 3 से, तो जो दिया गया नंबर है वो भी 3 से डिविजिबल होगा. अगर वो आंसर डिविजिबल नहीं है तो दिया गया नंबर भी डिविजिबल नहीं होगा. अंडरस्टूड? Last example for divisibility by 3. If I am taking 81, I am taking number 81. So 8 plus 1 is 9, and this 9 is divisible by 3. Correct na? 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, and 3 3 is 9. So this 9 is divisible by 3. Means this number 81 is also divisible by 3. या अगर ये 9 3 से डिवाइड हो गया, इसका मतलब क्या है? ये 81 भी डिविजिबल बाय 3. ये 81 भी 3 से डिविजिबल होगा. अंडरस्टूड? दिस इज अ टेस्ट ऑफ डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 3. ओके. नाउ आवर थर्ड टेस्ट, डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 5. If number is having at unit place 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. Simple one. अगर किसी भी नंबर के यूनिट प्लेस पे 0 या फिर 5 आएंगे तो वो नंबर 5 से डिवाइड होगा, डिविजिबल होगा. इफ आई एम टेकिंग 15, so at unit place 5 is there, means this number 15 is divisible by this 5. If I am taking number 200, at unit place 0 is there, means this 200 is divisible by this 5. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है? divisibility by 5. And the last, divisibility by 10. What the divisibility by 10 is saying to us? If the number is having 0 at its unit place, then that number is divisible by 10. 10 का divisibility इतना सिंपल है कि अगर जिस नंबर के यूनिट प्लेस पे 0 है तो वो नंबर 10 से डिविजिबल है. That's it. सिंपल सा. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? Understood everyone? Again I am explaining what is the test of divisibility by 2. If the number is having 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 at its unit place, then that number is divisible by 2. ठीक है? जिस नंबर के यूनिट प्लेस पे 0, 2, 4, 6 और 8 आएगा तो वो नंबर 2 से डिवाइड होगा, डिविजिबल होगा. What the test of divisibility by 3 is saying? When you will add all the numbers in a given number, you will add all the digits in the given number. If that sum is divisible by 3, then that number is also divisible by 3. दिए गए नंबर में नंबर का अगर आप हर एक डिजिट का सम करते हो, एडिशन करते हो, जो आंसर आएगा उस आंसर को अगर आपने 3 से डिवाइड कर लिया तो दिया गया नंबर भी 3 से डिवाइड होगा. दिस इज द टेस्ट ऑफ डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 3. ओके. एंड थर्ड टेस्ट, divisibility by 5. If the number is having 0 or 5 at unit place, then that number is divisible by 5. And the last, divisibility by 10. If the number is having 0 at its unit place, then that number is also divisible by 10. Okay, very simple. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? So here we are going to start problem set 32. Problem set 32. Okay. Now write the factors of the following numbers. Write the factors of the following number. Now factors means we have to check that these numbers are coming in which table. So our first digit 8. Okay, first number is 8. So as I told you, 1 is the common factor for all the numbers. So 1 will come. 8 is coming in 2 times table. Yes. 2 4 is 8. 3 times table. No. 4 times table. Yes. So 4 is the next factor. 5 times table. No. 6 times table. No. 7 times table. No. And the last is 8 times table. वो खुद के टेबल में आता है. खत्म. So that 1 and that number itself are the factors, and वो बीच वाले हमें ढूंढना है. Which table these numbers are coming? So 1, 2, 4 and 8 are the factors of 8. Are the factors of 8. Understood everyone? Understood? Now we'll take the third example. Now I'll use blue color. Now third example, number is 14. So our first factor is 1. Correct? 1 will come. In 2 times table 14 is coming. अगर 2 के टेबल में नहीं, at unit place 4 is there, and what the divisibility by 2 is saying, if the number is having 4 at its unit place, that number is divisible by 2. So 2 is the second factor. Okay. In 3 times table it is coming. No. 4 times table 14 is coming. No. 5 times table. No. 6 times table. No. 7 times table. Yes. 7 2s are 14. Okay. 8 times table. No. 9 times table. No. 10 times table. No. The last 11 12 13 में भी नहीं आता, and the last factor is 14. So 1 2 7 and 14 are the factors of this number 14. Are the factors of this number 14. Okay, very good Kadambari, very good. Now we'll take the 7 one. Fifth example, 7. Now see 7. Now first factor is 1, as it is first 1. Now 2 times 7, 7 is coming. No. 3 tables. No. 4 times table. No. 5 times table. No. 6 times table. No. 7 times table. Directly 7 times table. ध्रुवी, next factor is 5. नहीं, 5 के टेबल में आता है 7. 5 1 जा 5, 5 2 जा 7 आता है बेटा. नहीं. So 5 is not the next factor. Directly 7 is the next factor. Okay. So 1 and 7 are the factors of number 7. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है आपको ये factors? Now we'll see the next one. Directly 33 we'll see. I hope everyone understood this. Simple, very simple. Okay, 33. Now take the number 33. Now first factor is 1. 33. Now how it is not divisible by 2, because at the unit place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 कुछ भी नहीं है. So this is not the divisible by 2. For 1 is the first factor. Now it is not divisible by 2. We'll see the 3. Now how we'll check the it is divisible by 3. So what we'll do, we'll add the digits in the given number. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6 and 6 is divisible by 3. So this number 33 is also divisible by 3. So ये हमारा टेस्ट क्या कहता है 3 का, अगर आप डिजिट्स को दिए गए नंबर के डिजिट्स को ऐड करके उसे अगर 3 से डिवाइड करते हो तो वो नंबर भी 3 से डिवाइड होगा, डिविजिबल होगा. करेक्ट. So 3 plus 3 is 6 and 6 is divisible by 3. Means 33 is also divisible by 3. So next factor is 3. Now this number is not coming in any table till the 10. Then 11 3s are 33. So 11 is the next factor और 11 के बाद डायरेक्टली आता है वो 33 के टेबल में. 33 1s are 33. So 1 3 11 and 33 are the factors of this number 33. Okay, understood everyone? So this is the problem set 32. This is the problem set 32. Now here problem set 33 is there. Okay, problem set 33 is there. Write 5 3-digit number that are multiples of 2. Write 5 3-digit number which are multiples of 2. Now multiples means what? When the remainder will come 0, that time that number is multiple of 2. करेक्ट ना? यही बताया था ना मैंने अभी मल्टीपल के लिए. मल्टीपल मतलब क्या? When you will divide the number by 2 and when the remainder will come 0, that time that given number is multiple of 2. And when the number will come, when the remainder will come 0, when that number is divisible by 2. जब वो नंबर पूरा डिविजिबल हो जाएगा 2 से तो ही रिमाइंडर 0 आएगा. करेक्ट नो? सो हाउ the number is divisible by 2? If the number is having 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 at the unit place, that time only that number is divisible by 2. तो ही वो नंबर डिविजिबल होगा ना. So take any 3-digit number having 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 at their unit place. Okay, so take any 3-digit number. Suppose I am taking 206. Now we are at the unit place 6 is there. Means this number is divisible by 2. Means this number is multiple of 2. समझ में आ रहा है? मल्टीपल कब होगा? जब वो पूरा डिवाइड होगा. और वो पूरा डिवाइड कब होगा? जब उसके यूनिट प्लेस पे 0, 2, 6, 8 यही नंबर आएंगे. 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 ये नंबर आएंगे. तो ये वो डिवाइड होगा. So write any 3-digit number which are having at unit place 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So first number I have written here 206. Next 100 at unit place 0 is there, means this number is divisible by 2, means this 100 is a multiple of 2. Then next 112, again unit place 2 is there, so this number is multiple of this 2. Okay, now 444 at unit place 4 is there, so this number is again divisible by 2, means this number is multiple of 2 because remainder will come 0. And the last 608 at unit place 8 is there, so this number is multiple of 2. समझ में आ रहा है? कोई भी 3-digit नंबर ले लो बट उसके यूनिट प्लेस पे क्या आना चाहिए? 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Then only these numbers are the multiples of 2. Everyone understood first question? Now second question. Write 5 3-digit number that are multiples of 5. Now multiples of 5, we have to find out multiples of 5. So at unit place what we want, 0 और 5. अगर 0 और 5 होंगे तो ही वो मल्टीपल होंगे. Very good, Riya. You understood very good. So 0 or 5. So take any 3-digit number and write at unit place 0 or 5. So my first number is 100. At unit place I have taken 0. So this number is multiple of 5. Okay, very good student, very good. Next number 115, at unit place 5 is there, means 115 is again a multiple of 5. Okay, take any number, any 3-digit number, but at unit place write 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5, means that number is multiple of 5. Very good. 140, 160, 180. Very good, Shaurya. Very good. So write any number, 3-digit number, but at unit place write 5 or 0. Okay. So these numbers are the multiples of 5. So here examples are given: 100, 105, 110, 115, 120. Okay. Now next, write 5 3-digit number that are multiples of 5. Same ही है वो. Okay, same question is there. Then last, multiple of 10 होगा यहाँ पे question. Okay, write 5 3-digit number that are the multiples of 10. 10 means at unit place only 0. At unit place only 0 will come. So take any 3-digit number which are having at unit place 0. Right? 100, 200, 300, 400, 1000. Take any number which are having 0 at the unit place. Okay. So that number is divisible by 10. Means that number is a multiple of 10. Okay. So here written 100, 110, 120, 130 and 140. Very good student. Very good. Very good, Ruchi. So I hope everyone, this doubt is clear. How to write the multiples of 2, 5 and 10. If you are writing multiple of 2, then at unit place 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. These numbers digits are compulsory. If you are writing multiples of 5, then at unit place the number should be 0 or 5. And if you are writing multiples of 10, then at unit place 0 is compulsory. Okay. Now we'll see the question number 2. We'll see the question number 2 now. What the question number 2 is? Write the 5 numbers that are multiples of 2 as well as 3. We have to write the 5 numbers which are the multiples of 2 also and multiples of 3 also. हमें ऐसे 5 numbers लिखने हैं जो 2 से भी डिवाइड हो और 3 से भी डिवाइड हो. ओके, हमें ऐसे मल्टीपल्स लिखने हैं that multiples are divisible by 2 also and divisible by 3 also. Okay, so take the common numbers which are coming in 2 times and 3 times table. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 3 4s are 8, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So I said देखना. Now here 6 is common, here 6 is common. Means this 6 is divisible by 2 also and this 6 is divisible by 6 also. Means first factor क्या आ गया, first multiple क्या आ गया, 6. Correct? 12 14 नहीं आएगा रुचि बेटा, 14 will not come. Now 2 6 are 12 भी आता है and 3 4 are 12 भी आता है. So this 12 is divisible by 2 also and by 3 also. So our next is 12, 18, 2 9s are 18 and 3 6 are 18. So our next multiple is 18. Now in 3 times table 24 is coming. Okay, but 2 के टेबल में 24 तो नहीं आता, 24 is not coming, but at unit place 4 is there, means this number is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 2, correct? No, ये number 2 से divisible होगा. So now next multiple is 24 and 30. 30 3 times are 30. 30 is divisible by 3. but at unit plus 2 0 is there, means this number is divisible by 2 also. ये number 2 से भी divisible होगा, correct ना? Means 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30 are the multiples of 2 as well as 3. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है सबको? Understood everyone? Now we'll see the question number 3 and we'll stop. Okay, remaining question we'll see tomorrow. So question number 3, a ribbon is 3 meters long. A ribbon is 3 meters long. Can we cut into 50 centimeter pieces and have nothing left over? Write the reason why or why not. Okay, one ribbon is there 3 meters long. Okay, so can we cut that ribbon into 50 centimeter pieces? उस रिबन को हम लोग 50 सेंटीमीटर के पीसेस में कट कर सकते हैं क्या? एंड हैव नथिंग लेफ्ट ओवर, और कुछ भी बचना नहीं चाहिए, कुछ भी रिबन रहना नहीं चाहिए. राइट द रीजन व्हाई और व्हाई नॉट. बचा तो क्यों बचा, नहीं बचा तो क्यों नहीं बचा. वी हैव टू टेल द रीजन. ओके, सो रिबन इज 3 मीटर लॉन्ग. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, correct? You learned this last year. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Then 3 meter equals to 3 meter कितना होगा? 3 into 100. 3 into 100. Correct, no? Means 300 centimeter. Correct, na? 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Then 3 meter equals to 300 centimeter. Will multiply 100 by 3. इस 3 को हम लोग 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So 3 meter equals to 300 centimeter. Okay. Now we have to divide this 300 centimeter into 50 centimeter equal parts. इस 3 centimeter के रिबन को हमें 50-50 centimeter के parts में divide करना है. Okay. Very good, Kadambari. 300 is a multiple of 50. Very good. Very good. So we'll divide this 300 by 50. क्यों 50 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि हमें 50 सेंटीमीटर के पीसेस में रिबन को कट करना है. करेक्ट, करेक्ट ना? We can cut that ribbon into 50 centimeter pieces. How? We'll divide 300 by 50 centimeter. Okay, so 50 ones are 50, 52 is 100, 53 is 150, 54 is 200, 55 is 250 and 56 is 300. 300 minus 300, 0. Here remainder is 0. Our answer is 6. Means we can cut ribbon into 6 equal parts and each part length is 50 centimeters. So how many ribbons will get? 5 ribbons. Okay, 6 ribbons will get of 50 centimeter. Correct? Means 300 multiple of this 50. क्योंकि रिमाइंडर 0 बचा, इसलिए 300 is a multiple of 50. Correct? Understood everyone? So here answer is 3 centimeter equals to 300 centimeter. Ribbon is to be divided by 50 centimeter. 300 centimeter को हमें 50 centimeter के parts में divide करना है. Yes, we can cut the ribbon into 50 centimeter pieces with nothing left over because remainder is 0. Means कुछ भी नहीं बचा है. So with nothing left over because 300 is a multiple of 50. 300 is a multiple of 50. So we can get 6 such ribbons. हमें कितने ribbons मिलेंगे? 6 वैसे ribbons मिलेंगे. Okay students, understood till here? Okay, so here we are stopping.